Welcome, here I've got Meizu M5s and let me show you how to turn on and off camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now at the first place we have the grid lines option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn them on and turn them off as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. When we move back to camera, we get access to these lines in the preview. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to the right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them at the real photo, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to right corner settings and turn them off here. So for now in the preview, the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.